की खबर का बातें से टीवी
का उम्दी बशnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Chief Secretary jang sarkar jala ba Donald P walang hak nyutri kulalingkar arja absan ulong ba sarkar jala kadang yai Plie ya Jingkhang nagbenta ba Ïakren ba sangking atiar Nyutrep National Liberation Council Chief Secretary ulapun pau ni hadiah malajan chisnam kanthi ka Hnlc kalaweng no nak Ïakren Ïasuk bat ka sarkar lembak sarkar jala ba keno bagi santli ki mat jinglawa ba kuntu bi jingmap ai amshim lala satya ban pun urlong dak sarkar
point of time we are very keen to continue with the discussions, but unfortunately there were some points which were tricky points as far as they were concerned, as far as we are concerned, and we couldn't meet at a point of convergence as far as those issues are concerned. So therefore we requested them that they can go back to the place where they came from, have a proper discussion first, and when there is complete clarity and when we arrive at a point of convergence, then we can resume the talks. So they went back, they have had meetings among themselves, but they have not come back to us to resume the talks. So we are waiting. Our doors are open. That is the most important thing. No, there are some items which are non-negotiable. There are some items which are negotiable. So when it is non-negotiable, because we have to take into consideration the fact that Ministry of Home Affairs is also in the middle of this. So non-negotiable issues cannot be compromised.